Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the euro dollar is slowly going down. I mean, it's kind of a choppy pattern to the downside, but it is definitely still lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. As long as it doesn't break that series of lower highs, I'm definitely still calling this a potential five waves up, potential three waves down, potential five waves up for a complete correction. And hopefully now we're heading down to the 38% or even much lower for either an ABC or possibly even a 1, 2, 3 of wave A. Now, if it does break the series of lower highs, lower lows, if it does go up and break that structure, then that is going to invalidate it. And at that point, it'd probably turn more into like a complex correction, like a WXY, go up and take out the high of wave 4, probably grab some liquidity before it goes down to the 38% and beyond. So definitely keep an eye on it. As long as you watch your structure, you definitely should be able to tell the difference about whether it's going to continue the downtrend or whether it could possibly turn up, making a more complex WXY pattern before it actually does continue back down. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.